Welcome back to the Dog's Basement Workshop. I picked up a new tool from RYOBI. I know I should not be allowed to go buy tools. I'm busy. The farmer's market is swamped right now. But I was looking for a way to make spoons at the farmer's market. And I always use a compressor when I'm here in the shop and blow spoons off as I'm sanding them so I can see scratches better as I'm working. And I don't want to take a compressor to the farmer's market. It's really inconvenient. It's hard to do that. And I thought, well, there's got to be a way to blow them off. And I knew RYOBI had that little blower tool that looks like a little miniature leaf blower for blowing off tools in your shop. And I also saw they had that little pump tool, that little for blowing up your car tires. Thought, well, maybe that would work. And then when I was there, I saw this thing. And this is the Inflator tool. I'll throw some pictures up in the corners for you. And I bought it. You guys complain that I don't test stuff out before I talk about it. I've had this thing for about a week and a half, 2 weeks now. And wow. I apparently needed this my whole life. I have used this for blowing off the CNC machine, cleaning tools. This thing is so much fun. I haven't blown anything up with it, but it is phenomenal. It sips at the batteries. I've used the bigger batteries, the new ones that came out with the RYOBI Tool Days batteries, and that battery lasted me 3 or 4 days. I've used this for blowing off spoons while I'm sitting out here working, so it's not as noisy at night. I don't have to have the big 30 or 40 gallon compressor running at night and bothering the neighbors. This will be going to the farmer's market with me so I can sand spoons in front of people and draw people in watching me work. Starting conversations that way with people. It always helps with sales when I'm doing something in front of people. I love this little tool. I absolutely love it. Fits all the batteries, obviously. Comes with a little attachment down here. Don't really know what it's for. I'm guessing it's for blowing stuff up. I like this. This has been great. Like I said, I've been using it for cleaning stuff, blowing stuff off, cleaning up the CNC machine. I don't have to run my big compressor all the time. I got to give this one an A+. If you're doing stuff in craft shows and you want to have a little tool for blowing stuff off, cleaning tools, cleaning off your planer, joiners, blowing out your equipment, your table saws, your chop saws. Guys, this little blower for doing pool toys is phenomenal. Sips the batteries. I can't say enough good stuff. Go pick one up, guys. This has been awesome. All right, go get it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Farmer's Market shit tips and tricks video. This is going to go in there. It's a great one. Enjoy your day.